Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website which is Gigabyte. Any device require the driver you can find and install, download and install. Send in, then in you can see this is right hand side. This is search button. Just click it and then enter your model number which is you required. Then in search hit me with the best key and then type Z790 Wi-Fi, then hit enter. Then click on product Z790 Wi-Fi. Then click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, Windows 10. Both installations process same, so you select any. Chipset, first try to install this one, serial Intel serial driver, and click to download. Well, you can see this is start downloading. It is completed. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then ex. Now this is installing. And then close it. Then Intel INF installations, and second this one. Same, it is downloaded, then open. Then double click to exe. Then yes. Now this is updating INF. This automatically close means this is installed.